some stuff with you. Just when you're whatever.
First, take a screenshot off your keyboard, then crop it like this on your phone. Go to Pixar to erase the letters we want to change in our keyboard. Find the Draw option, then use Color Adapter to get the color of your keyboard, then erase the letters. Save it, then go to Fonto so we can add the letters same as font of our keyboard. Add text, then click Font and choose this font black. Put the text on empty keyboard, add the letter you want, then save it. Go back to Pixar so we can do our first clip, then add the keyboard that we edited. Click Tools and Crop, start the screen record, then start cropping the keyboard. Stop screen recording, then go to Capcut and add new project. Add the screen record video clip, then adjust the duration of it to 6.4s by changing the speed to fast cause I don't like to split it. Put the line at the end of the clip, then freeze it, then change freeze duration to 3.8s. Now I'm gonna show you how to saving clips. Go to YouTube. This is my search history on this trend. I set the resolution of the video to the highest and screen record only the part I want or need so I can easily set it to the duration needed. Go back to Capcut cause we will edit the clip we got before we add it on our main project. Set the format to 3.4, then zoom that clip and change the speed to 0.3x, then adjust the duration to 3.8 seconds. Same process for the other member that I already did off cam. Export it, then go back to our main project. Put the line between two clips, then add overlay. Add the clips that we edit separately earlier. Put the Jisoo slip on J keyboard, find mask option, then choose rectangle. To make the corner round, move this upward. Make an adjustment of it on the keyboard, then add animation fade in 1.8 second duration. So, because we can't add two animation in one clip, add overlay black from stock videos for fade out effect. Adjust it to 7s, then add animation fade in 0.6 second. Now add Rose, Jenny and Lisa's clip as overlay. Then do the same process that we did on Jisoo's clip. To apply the fade out effect in all clip, click the black overlay, then fin layers and click 5. Now add the audio. You can find the audio at my shorts videos.
Stop with you, and that's that. Guess I'm stuck. Guess I'm stuck.
Export it. Thank you for watching.
Guess I'm stuck. 'Cause when